Brad. Happy birthday sa iyo, Brad. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, ha. Long live mga cancer.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na the cakes. I wish you all the best in life. Good health, more wealth. Syempre, of course, love life. Charot. Stay humble as always, because you are one of the humble person I know. Dyan sa SM, and keep on smiling. Yes. And cheers to more unforgettable memories and laughter until magsakit ang tiyan ka at awa. Happy birthday.
Hey, Tol Erica, sana umaba pa buhay mo, huwag ka magbago. Yun lang.
Hi, Lord. Erica, happy birthday. Yan, kaarawan mo pala. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan, more birthdays to come to you, Lord. Yung anumang mga kahilingan mo, mga wishes mo sa itaas, hoping matutupad, and stay humble and kind. Ayun, happy ako at naging kaibigan kita dito sa SM. Ayun, more birthdays to come, Lord. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erica. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you enjoy your day, Megalods. You're one of my idols and one of the pillars here, the young OG. Yeah. We have in so many battles here in SM, and we conquered it all. Like Jon Snow, the king of the North. I've seen you all through these years. You have bloomed into a hot, badass babe, baby. Yeah. And I hope you enjoy your day again. And keep grinding. I've seen you improve so much. You're one of the best now. Happy birthday again. Keep the chaos burning, my chaos twin.
Binabati ko ang anak-anak ko sa SM na maligayang kaarawan. At sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at saka sa pangatawan, siyempre dapat ang kalusugan nandyan yan saka malayo sa sakit, mga pamilya mo, yan. At saka dadami pa yung mga tropa mo kasi hindi ka naman mahirap na alam mo na yun, may samahan, alam ko mabait ang bata. Kaya nga sa lahat ng anak ko, paborito ko kayong lahat. Kaya ito nga pala yung manok ko, wala akong maibibigay sa'yo kundi ito lang. Bata pa to, hindi pa makunat. Pakuluan mo lang, gawin mong tinula. Kahit wala na papaya, okay na yun. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings, ganun lang. Maraming salamat sa pagkasama mo sa Aruga. Lang at birthday. Patuloy lang sa pag rock and roll.
Happy birthday, Utol Erica! I love you! Wish ko sa'yo, sana mag-ingat ka palagi and good health. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. I love you!
Domagon here.
Happy birthday nga pala dyan kay Lord Sikang. I wish you more birthdays and blessings to come, and I wish you good health. And sana di ka magbago, just be yourself. Bayanin sila at sana makahanap ka na ng baby boys mo.
Happy birthday, my bunso Erica. Since 2020 in Star Maker, you are genuine, one of the person that I known here in SM. You're not just sharing your amazing voice, but you inspire people here in Star Maker to sing. Like, tinuturuan mo ako, no? So, na-inspire din ako, na-challenge din ako. And stay happy, stay being authentic, and keep on rocking, bunso. And of course, I want your good health always, you know? Yun lang, wala na akong masabi. Alam mo na yun, and love you so much.
Happy birthday to the fearless Erica. Hello. May your day be filled with accomplishments and appreciation you deserve. Stay lang sa pagiging sa mga good characters of yours. Laban lang sa mga subok. Minsan daan na natin sa simple lang. Kung pasabihin ko ha, tara, kain na tayo. Tagal yun.
Sus. Happy birthday, Lods, Erica. Yan, sana more birthdays to come. Yan. Legend here. Thank you so much.
Hello, Bebe Erica. Happy birthday. Ang babaeng halimaw sa rakrakan. As in, halimaw. Pero pa nagsalita, you're so cute! Cute. Tinawag na Bebe Erica. Kasi ang cute niya. Sabi ganun eh. May you stay healthy, have a long life, and may all your wishes come true. And sana maging happy ka today because this is your special day. Happy birthday!
Ay, kita mo birthday mo raw. enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Erica, happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. Long live on, ano pa ba? Ingat palagi.
Hi Lods! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life and of course more birthdays to come. Ngayon na birthday mo, actually 3 days in advance kasi June 30 pa dapat ang birthday mo, diba? But natapat siya sa weekday, so weekend na lang para mas marami kami makapag-celebrate with you. So, Lods, maraming salamat sa friendship, sa lahat ng mga tulong mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa lahat ng tao. Ikaw yung pinakamasipag na tao na gumawa ng mga birthday greetings. So, ngayon na birthday mo, hayaan mo na kami naman ang gagawa nito para sa'yo. So, hindi man kompleto ang mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo sa video na to, but then I know na andyan lang sila nakasuporta and nagmamahal sa'yo. So, sana magustuhan mo ito, and itong konting pa-OTS, hinanda ito na lahat ng mga taong nagmamahal at naniniwala sa talento mo. So, ayan, Lods, mag-enjoy ka lang dito sa SM. Andito lang kami lahat, yung Aruga, yung Deathfall, lahat ng mga tropa mo, susuporta lang sa mga gusto mong gawin dito sa SM. And i-improve mo pa yung talent mo. Andito lang ako na maaasahan and matatakbuhan mo anytime. So, ayan, we love you, Lods. Happy birthday,